Hey guys, it's your girl Sandy Lee here, and I want to welcome you to an episode of Sandy Creates. So today I wanted to create a graphic tee. I'm going to her concert soon, and I couldn't decide on what to wear. So I'm like, let me, create my own graphic tee, do something different, something no one else would have. So I decided to do that, and I'm going to show you guys how I did that, or how I'm going to do that. What you need is simple. You just need some transfer paper, an iron. I personally have a heat press, and you need an inkjet printer. I have an HP Envy, and you'll see that later on in the video. The transfer paper I do have is this transfer paper. I got it from Amazon, and it was, I believe, $13. If it's more than that, I'll show it down below, but I believe it was around that. And you just need a picture. I got my picture offline, and of course in the video, later in the video, I'll also show you how to do that. So without further ado, let's get started. And if you have any questions, put them down below. I would love to do more of these because I do have a Cricut, and I do like classes and tumblers and things like that. So if you guys want to see those type of things, I'll show you some of my stuff later in the video. If you're curious of how to do that, I guess just leave it down below, and I'll do another episode of Sandy Creates. All right, guys, so I just screen recorded my phone just to show you how I looked up these images. Of course, you're going to go to Google, Bing, whatever internet source you have. Go there, look up the person, image, whatever you want on your t-shirt. From here, everything will pop up, whatever you're looking for. Go to images. And from images, you will have plenty of pictures to choose from, whatever you want. I was looking for something that was vibrant, something that will pop. I did see this green image, and I was debating on that. I clicked on it, but I think I kind of wanted more of a full body. So I scrolled down more, and I seen this photo. This photo was aesthetically pleasing to me. It wasn't too bright or too dim, and it was also full body. So I screenshotted this photo, and then you're going to see me crop it to my liking. Make sure all the blurred spots are out. And of course, if you're using a computer, you would do clip art or snippet, whatever you may have, and save it to your desktop. It will automatically save to my photos when I'm done. Bam, there we go. So next, I wanted to grab a few photos. I seen this one, black and red. Who doesn't like black and red? Some of my favorite colors. Did the same to this one, cropped it, screenshot it, cropped it. You get the picture. So here you would see the final product after the crop. You'll see me going through them, trying to choose which one I wanted. And I chose this one, of course. This one I wanted from Jump. I liked everything about it. So from here, we're going to print our image. So the printer I have is wireless. It's a HP Envy. So you'll see me scroll down and print this from my phone. Later on in the video, I'll show you how to place the paper in correctly so you can print from your phone. And if you were on a computer, you can print the same as well. Just go to the image, print it out.
Bruh, bruh, bruh.
Few moments later.
So, life happens, We're going to try to print this again. Okay, okay. So we're going to scroll down once again, go to print. Before we do print this, we're going to try to transform it so we can fit it to the page as much as possible. So while we're doing that, we're going to try to get as much as an image in this square as much as possible before we finalize the photo and print it out. So now that we have completed resizing the photo, we are going to try to print it again. I held my breath, had my fingers crossed, asking the Lord, please And it did work, thank God. So from here, I will show you my printer and how to place the transfer paper incorrectly so your picture comes out on the right side. So here is my printer. If you do not have this printer, just make sure you have an inkjet printer. It will work the same. Here is the transfer paper that I showed you earlier. I will take it out the pack so you can see the leaf paper. Here's the paper. It has print on one side. The other side is where your image will come out of. Again, here is the print, and this is the way we will load it into the printer. When you do load it into the printer, just make sure you take everything out. I made that mistake and it printed out on multiple sheets. Also, if you don't have this printer, do a dry run on on your printer with a regular sheet of paper just to make sure what side the image comes out.
Alright guys, so here is what it looks like when it is all printed out. Isn't she beautiful? She's so pretty. I love it. So they said for best results to cut off all the white parts, you know, the surrounding parts. So that's what we're going to do right now. Alright, and this is her after. So from here we would just have to peel this back. That's going to be the hard part, but we will peel this paper off. The back does come off, so we peel this off, and then we'll place it on our tee, long shirt, sweatshirt, whatever you have. They say best results is on black, but I believe you can put it on white shirts as well. I think it will actually look better on a white shirt, but I have a black shirt, so let's see. Okay guys, this is my long sleeve shirt, and this is the her. I just want to show you how the paper does separate. And I do have a ruler. They usually say you should measure the image 3 inches down from the collar. So I've done that. I'm just gonna place this on and I will be right back. Alright guys, so this is it placed on the shirt. I try to do it as even as possible. Next I'm going to move the ruler and put on this paper. Always have this paper on top before you press anything, even with the iron. Of course, you don't need a heat press to do this. You could just do an iron, but before you do iron, make sure that you do have this paper on, okay? All right, I'm going to press it and I'll be back. All right, guys, we're back. So here is the final product. I love it. I think it did come out better on a black instead of a white. But when you do make these t-shirts, make it your own. You could cut it up, you could add bleach to it, give it some character. So I'll probably end up adding some words to like the sides or something, putting a little bleach on it. Something to make it unique, you know, there's only one you. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. And of course, like I said, I do custom glasses and stuff. So this is just me trying with the Cricut. I made a custom wine glass with my name on it. And I also made a tumbler for my sister because she's a teacher. So again, if you guys want to see more of Sandy Creates another episode, feel free, say so down below and I can work on it. I hope you guys enjoy your shirts and have a good day. See you later. Thank you for watching.